Today we're going to do a grocery haul from good old London. I visited London recently and I was obsessed with the Marks & Spencer's or M&S Foodhall. I brought a bunch of goodies back with me. I couldn't bring too much as I had no space in my bags or weight to carry this, but I managed to bring a couple of things to share with you. The M&S Foodhalls are a foodie heaven. From semi-prepared, prepared meals to pantry staples and everything in between, this is a haven for people like me. I was fortunate to have one literally steps away from our hotel, and visiting this store at the end of every night had become a ritual. We stocked up on water, drinks, Brit chips, and the most divine chocolate eclairs. I put on a few pounds, but my heart was happy. Part of the iconic Marks & Spencer's that was founded in 1884, it wasn't until 1931 till food was introduced and it was mostly canned goods. Sadly, Marks & Spencer's shut down their Canadian operations in 1999, and I really wish they would return. Now let's get started. The first thing I wanted to get were these cheese crackers. They look absolutely stunning and I can't wait to taste them. I also picked up a couple of treat bars. Now these are apple, ginger and dark chocolate. Just the combination sounds amazing. I'm going to take these to work and I'm going to put them in my drawer and enjoy them as a snack. Next, I got some summer fruit whips. Now these look beautiful. They're chocolate and it looks like it has a creamy filling and a little bit of strawberry gel right at the top. So I can't wait to tuck into these ones. I also brought some salad dressing. I found a really interesting salad dressing. This is preserved lemon and mint grain dressing. Now this one is going to go on all of my salads for the next couple of weeks. I put on so much weight in London. I literally ate my way through all of the food halls and I tried all of those wonderful, delicious dishes that now I need to go back onto my salad and protein diet. I found some dark chocolate. This one has no dairy. I have a couple of friends that are dairy intolerant, and so this is going to make a great dessert for them. I also got another dairy-free chocolate bar. This one I'm going to enjoy for myself. Next, I got a strawberry and clotted cream sponge roll. Now, clotted cream is a big thing in the UK. I tried some of that. I tried some of the desserts while I was over there. But this I was able to bring back with me. And I think it's sliced, or maybe I'll have to slice it and enjoy it with a spud of tea. You can't go to Britain and not have some tea cakes. And these ones are chocolate and orange, a fantastic combination. I cannot wait to try them. I wasn't able to have any sticky toffee pudding while I was there. It was on my list, but I was just not able to get to it. So this is going to come pretty close. This is a sticky toffee pudding bar, and it's going to have to do. I also picked up some dried yeast. Now you get yeast here in Canada obviously, but I wanted to try the British version. I picked up a couple of these. These are great to give as gifts. These are mint imperials and they have a cute little design. And finally, I've got some potted beef. Now, I made the mistake of putting this in my hand luggage and I was pulled over by security and I was worried that they were going to take it away from me, but I was able to carry this with me. This is basically a beef spread and this is going to be great for sandwiches for my kids for their school lunches. hope you enjoyed my very small grocery haul. Like I mentioned before, I didn't have any space and I didn't have a lot of baggage to bring this back, but I wanted to bring back a few things to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And make sure to follow me on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care. Bye.